Hey everybody, it's Kristen with the Creative Peacock, and I want to talk about some more curb appeal and what I did. We live in an HOA, and there's certain rules that you have to follow when you live in an HOA, and one of them is you have to have your house numbers. I think that's a regular rule anyway, but we actually get violations if we don't have them up. So last spring around this time, I went and I painted our front door. Everything was blue, like blue shutters, blue door, and so I painted it black, and then it took me a hot minute to paint all the shutters black because I had to get on the roof, and I was really freaking out about this. This was not a fun moment for me. I actually think I cried at one point because it was so scary up there, but finally got up there, did that. And then on the front of our house, near our garage, there was a wooden sign that was screwed in, and it was blue. It's just wood. It was blue with white letters, white numbers for our house number. I removed that because I figured I don't want the blue up anymore. I was going to spray paint it. But then I was like, I don't really want to put it back on the house. What are some other options that I have? Well, we had replaced our mailbox around the same time, and I never put the numbers on it. So yes, we got in trouble with the HOA because we had no numbers visible. So then I had this idea that I want flowers. I want plants out near the new mailbox, curb appeal, but I didn't want to plant them in the ground because I feel like when you do that out there, just the traffic or people walking their dogs, the dogs will pee on the plants and kill them, all that stuff. So I got one of my old plant pots. This is kind of falling apart, so I still think I need to fix it up a little bit, but I put that out there, filled it with some beautiful flowers, and then I took the sign and I spray painted it on both sides, put the numbers back on, and figured I'd get a stake and put it into the plant pot. When I first did that, I did like a steel rod with a U-shaped conduit to attach it to, and that didn't really work out. So then I went to just a wooden stake, screwed it on the back, and then I ran to, I think it was Walmart or Home Depot, and got one of the solar lights that will obviously charge during the day and then illuminate the numbers at night so that you can still see them. I love the way it came out. It was awesome. So that is my little hack on my house numbers with a little bit of curb appeal. Around where the plant pot is, I definitely want to add some rock, maybe river rock or something, to just make it look a little more complete, because it's on a cement slab that's out there. I think this mailbox used to be on the slab and now it's moved over. Yeah, so if you've done anything like this, or you have any good ideas on how to incorporate your house number into something other than just having it on your mailbox or your house, definitely leave pictures or comments because I want to know. Make sure to subscribe and like this video because I love having you around for all this creative chaos. Other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.